Hello guys, welcome back to Deal channel, and this is Chant here. In this video, we will continue with our chat application project. First thing first, what I'm usually do is I'm gonna do a brainstorming to get ideas of our chat application on how many features we're gonna do, on what technology stack we're gonna use, and what are third-party service we're gonna use, and we will run through each framework's library that we're gonna have. And I'm not sure it is really a best practice or not, but it is what I'm usually do for my own project. Okay, let's start with our brainstorming. The title, I think we should just call this chat app idea, and this one I think we should use this. That is okay. I think first thing first, I think we should talk about the feature. Feature should have dark theme, and dark theme we can say we have system, something like system theme, dark theme, and light theme. Okay, and okay, and another feature is user authentication, and we can think that we will have register, verify, login. And in this user authentication, we should register with phone number registration, and we will do SMS verification. And for authentication, I will use the token based authentication. Okay, and for the chat, I think we should have two type of chat: private chat, and another one is group chat. For private chat, it is one-on-one chat, right? And to create this private chat, we should communicate with other user by add by username. We will have unique username on each users, or phone number also unique too. Or we can let them search through their contact. Okay, so using contact. For group chat, we can we can do the same like a bowl, add by user, but I think we should let them also invite by username. Let's say invite, because it is the group chat. Invite username, invite by username, by phone number, or by previous chat history. Okay, of one-on-one chat. So people used to chat with you on one-on-one, you will able to select that user in the group chat. Previous one-on-one chat. Okay. And for when invite, I think when user invite you to group, you can reject or you can accept it. So user can reject or accept the request. Okay, so about another thing is notification. system on chat and chat invitation. Okay. And second, we will talk about technology stack. Okay, for backend, we will use Laravel for API only. For database, I will use MySQL or MariaDB. MySQL or MariaDB. Okay. And for front end, we will use React Native. And for hosting, I think I will use the simple one. Heroku. Hosting only API, right? Only API. Okay. We will use Heroku. And for third party service, sorry. We will use one single for notification and pusher for broadcast driver. For storage, we will use S3 bucket Amazon, and for SMS service, we will use Twilio. Okay, let's talk about the library that we're gonna use. I will talk about the library of Laravel first. The first library, and we'll use the Laravel course. Oops. This one. Here, let's copy the link here. And for authentication, I'm gonna use Laravel passport. Okay, here's. And for API response, I'm gonna use, let's check first, Laravel API response builder, this one. I think this library I'm usually use for my own projects. And for media, uploading media, we gonna use Sparty media library Laravel Sparty. And for notification, we gonna use Laravel notification channel for Twilio and 1.2 Laravel notification channel Twilio. Laravel notification channel, this one. And one more, also the notification channel too, but this one is one single. one single and for debugger I'm gonna use Laravel telescope. This library is really helpful because it can check your query. I think it when I'm using it really helpful. Telescope. Laravel telescope. Okay, this one. Okay, I think it will be have more than this, I think, but for now let's just keep it like this, and we will walk through React Native. Okay. For React Native, I will use for state management. I will use sustain. For user interface, I'm gonna use React Native UI lib by which React Native UI lib, this one. And for navigation, I'm gonna use React Native navigation by which too. React Native navigation, this one. And for chat user interface, I'm gonna use React Native chat. I think this library is really good for making a chat application because it has many built-in components. React Native give chat here. And for icon, we're gonna use React Native with the icon. React Native with the icon. And for local storage, I'm gonna use React Native KV instead of async storage because I think that library I'm a bit new to this library too, but they said this library is really faster than async storage. Local storage, React Native KV, this one. Yes, this one is developed by WeChat. And what's else? Validation hook. Okay. For input form, I will use React hook form. React hook forms, this one. And for validation, I'm gonna use job, this one. For WebSocket. WebSocket. I'm gonna use WebSocket. I'm gonna use Laravel echo. Laravel echo. This one. Okay. For broadcaster. I'm gonna use because this one is pusher, I'm gonna use pusher JS. Where is it? This one. Let's just copy it. And for site UI user interface design, I'm usually use React Native site method. This is really good, great library for handling the site inside our application. React Native site methods. A bit old too, right? 10 months. And I think that's pretty much it. And there's some library too, like Axios, Lodash, DJS, etc. Okay, I think that's all for brainstorming, and we try to find the library that we gonna use. I think I usually do this first for faster development. Okay, I think that's all for this video. In the next video, we will dive right into coding on user interface using React Native. I'm really excited in coding, and I hope you guys are the same as me. I hope I could finish this series in next 2 weeks to 3 weeks, I guess. Okay, say no more. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button if you think this video is helpful to you guys. And it is also one way to motivate me to continue this series too. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.